Hey guys, I threw the MaxLens on this thing. You know why I did that? Because I want you to see everything. This lens can see everything. Look, it snowed here. We have snow and it is cold out here. I was out there with the dog running around like we did, like all kinds of really exercising, running and crazy thing, and believe it or not, she is nuts. I mean, she has so much energy today. She loves the snow. Look how much snow we have. This is like for people that have never seen snow before. Look at it. Man. I think here this is where it snows the least, under the tree. This tree is protecting me somewhat from a little bit snow here. But, look at this. It is snowing. My solar panels are like out of whack. Oh, let me put my thing on here. Oh, I don't have the front screen on, but here, Lulu, come on. Lulu, give me a ball. Give me the ball. Let go for it. Let go of it now, please. Can you please let go of it? Lucy, please. Lucy, please, don't bite it. Ow, 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 ow. Here. Look, there she is. Ready to pounce. Pounce! Look at her. She has so much fun. Here, let's look at my solar panels. That's not how you can charge your Tesla in Michigan when it does this. I don't know. Are the Tesla panels more slippery? Look. It's just nuts. You need a broom to help this. Yeah, I do have a broom. Look at this. It is the solar panel broom. Can you imagine whose broom that is? Good shot. Yeah, look at this. In order to make solar power, boop. I mean, it's not really helping. Not good. Boop. Yep. Yeah, I just wanted to get the lens out again and have the full overview of things with the MaxLens on the GoPro Hero10. Yay! This works. Everything else I think is an auto. I guess, I don't know, I didn't look. There's no jitter. The battery is 92%, what is fantastic. I can turn and twist the camera around, it doesn't matter. Camera will always be straight. Oh, look at this. New shoes and already snow on them. So I'm gonna go back inside here. Look at the tree. And the sky. Look at the sky. The sun, I think, is there somewhere else. Not? No. Where? I can't even see the sun. Look at this. Man. Yeah, there's the hole I have where the most light comes through. Yeah. Oh, Lucy, Lucy. Yay, I got you. Alright, so I'm gonna go back inside. That's too much for me, Lucy. It is too much. It is too much. Too much. Okay, this is gonna be a great video. 5 minutes. Oh. Look, my grill is waiting here. I'm gonna make a steak later. See if it's hot enough. What happened here? Look at that. That came up for whatever reason. I have to check what's underneath. Why all of a sudden? Oh, can you see? Can you zoom in so far? Yeah, I'm not sure. Look at this. It's cold. Less than 200. No, Lucy. We don't have time to play now. No play right now. Don't slip here on the stairs, Lucy.